Is it time for lunch on the dock?
Yep, it's time for our lunch on the dock, and today we're having pasta salad.
Oh, this looks good. I see tomatoes, chicken, cucumbers, I see parsley, dill, feta, yellow peppers, radishes. It tastes good.
As for our special guest, check out this surprise while I wolf this down.
I went for an early morning paddle to see the mist lift off the lake. It's so gorgeous. But the beaver was pretty upset. Even before he saw me, I wondered what was going on. And then I saw it. There was a wolf walking along shore, causing the beaver all kinds of stress. Wolves will eat beavers. Apparently, they will sit in wait and ambush them if a beaver does go on land. So this beaver is just going to be fine staying in the water. This loon wasn't concerned at all. And we watched that wolf until it disappeared around the corner, and the beavers kept splashing.